Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I did a model of the 4-point bending of the ultra high performance fiber reinforced concrete with a steel I-shaped beam as a core, double steel I-shaped beam. And if I check just the ultra high performance here and click on this is the stress propagation during the 4-point bending, the compression damage, the tension damage. We don't have that. Sorry, tension damage. This is the ductile damage. You can see the tension damage. The tension damage, sorry, the tensile behavior of the ultra performance fiber reinforced concrete is so better than the normal concrete. Also, the stiffness degradation for this, you can see it here. And plastic strain or anything else, you can got anything else. Let me replace the two I-shaped beam. You can see that here, the I-shaped beam here. This is the deformation of these two. We can make it here feature edge to have a better view. You can request the stress, the ductile damage. The ductile damage almost happen for the bottom I-shaped beam because it experiences more bending, plastic strain, displacement, or anything else. Also, we can get the force displacement diagram for this model. This is the force displacement diagram, the maximum capacity. After that, we have engaging contact between the concrete, ultra performance concrete, and the two steel I-shaped beam, and then the decreasing capacity and failure. Okay, so if you want or if you need to model ultra performance fiber reinforced concrete and a steel I-shape as a core under the bending test, you can come to our website here, www.abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial or search in the search section of the website to find this. Click on the title or blue sign, then you will have the title, the part definition, material method, step interaction load, and then the result as figures. The cost for the CA INP English video and reference paper is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard. Before that, send me an email to this address. Then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Also, you can provide our full package here. The full package here contains around 430 tutorials, and you can see some titles of this package here. By this package, you will learn all things simulation and modeling in Abaqus during 430 tutorials, and this is a good package with suitable price for especially student engineering or teachers. If you need also this full package, contact me to this email. Thank you for your attention.